Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to sell on the Roblox Marketplace. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to sell on the Roblox Marketplace? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, we are in help.roblox.com and it says here how to sell items, how to resell limited and limited view items. So right now, only an account with a membership can participate in reselling. Additionally, only items marked as limited or limited view are able to be resold. So if an item is limited or limited view, there will be an icon declaring it as such underneath the item's picture when viewing its details page or when browsing the marketplace. So go to the details page of the item, view the owned items section under the price chart. If you own multiple copies of an item, select which copy you want to sell, click sell next to the item, enter your desired price on the box and that is displayed, and you'll be able to post it up in the Roblox marketplace right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.